Radio dash kit and wire harness for installing an aftermarket double-DIN size radio combo kit for aftermarket radio installation in factory. Radio location double-DIN radio kit and radio wire harness. Radio removal keys included for select vehicles only. Used to add an aftermarket radio to the factory vehicle wiring. Standard wire coloring usually will connect color for color to aftermarket radio's wire harness. Black color radio kit designed specifically for the installation of double-DIN radios. High-grade ABS plastic will not retain some features that go through the radio like rear DVD, steering audio controls, etc. Other adapters are needed for retention. What's included? 1 radio kit. 2 wire harness. 3 radio removal keys. Compatible vehicles: 1998 to 2002 Ford Crown Vic, 1998 to 2008 Ford Econoline, 2001 to 2003 Ford Escape, 2000 to 2005 Ford Excursion, 1999 to 2002 Ford Expedition, 1998 to 2003 Ford Explorer, 2001 to 2005 Ford Explorer Sport Track, 1999 to 2003 Ford F-150, 1999 to 2004 Ford F-250/350, 2001 to 2003 Ford Mustang, 1998 to 2011 Ford Ranger, 1999 to 2003 Ford Windstar.